Welcome to Virtual Summit Secrets. In this course, we will explore the strategies and tactics for planning and hosting successful virtual summits. Virtual summits are a powerful tool for connecting with your audience, establishing your authority in your industry, and generating leads and revenue. Throughout this course, you will learn how to conceptualize, plan, and execute a virtual summit that delivers value to both speakers and attendees. We will cover topics such as speaker recruitment, summit promotion, technology setup, and post-summit engagement strategies. Whether you are a seasoned online entrepreneur looking to expand your reach or a beginner just starting out, Virtual Summit Secrets will provide you with the knowledge and skills to create a successful virtual summit that drives results for your business. Get ready to unlock the secrets to hosting a successful virtual summit and take your online presence to the next level.